Interested in a girl but would rather not say anything until you know she feels the same? You're not alone. It can be nerve-wracking to approach a crush, but knowing all the signs that she's into you can give you a boost of confidence. So, whether you've known her for a few days or have had a crush on her for a while, keep watching. We've prepared a handy list of all the secret signals that she wants you to make a move, with tips on the best ways to ask her out. 1. She makes time for you. If a girl is interested in you, she will make an effort to spend time with you. Whether it's texting you to hang out, or making plans to grab coffee or see a movie, if she's consistently making time for you, it's a good sign that she likes you. 2. She laughs at your jokes. Pay attention to how she reacts to your jokes. If she genuinely laughs and seems to enjoy your sense of humor, it's a good indication that she is drawn to you. 3. She touches you. Physical touch is a powerful way to show interest and attraction. If a girl finds excuses to touch you, whether it's lightly touching your arm while talking or giving you a hug, it's a sign that she feels comfortable and wants to get closer to you. 4. She asks personal questions. When a girl likes you, she will want to get to know you on a deeper level. If she starts asking you personal questions or shows a genuine interest in your life, it's a sign that she wants to build a connection with you. 5. She initiates contact. If a girl is always the one texting you first or reaching out to make plans, it's a clear sign that she is interested in you. Girls who are not interested usually won't bother making the first move.